is a 3-piece press and weld machine. This machine is unique because it can press up to 150,000 pounds and allows for a 20-foot pipe versus the customer's current machine that allows for a 15-foot pipe. Ends are pin stamped automatically, so then manually loaded into the machine. The machine will automatically press the ends into the pipe with forces anywhere from 10,000 to 150,000 pounds. The pipes are automatically loaded up into the preheat station. There they're preheated from anywhere from 400 to 600 degrees. This machine has induction heating. And induction heating allows for quicker cycle times and more consistent heating versus a flame heat. The machine's equipped with 2 robots that robotically weld the pipe versus traditional mechanized welding. This allows for a better quality weld, better searching, and more consistent weld. Pipes are then transferred down to a cooling rack and then loaded into customer dunnage. At NWS, we specialize in complex automated equipment. Contact us to see how we can help with your welding process.